What's up, YouTube? It's Chris with Murphy Firearms Training. I am here to test a few of my hand loads today. I have a 357 Magnum hand load. This is a wheel weight cast bullet that I cast myself. Has a very heavy factory crimp with a leaf factory crimp die. This is H110 and 158 grain lead semi-wad cutter with a gas check. It is a Lee mold. Used Lee dies to load it. And going to give it a shot and see what it does. So we're going to chronograph this, shoot it through the water jug test, and see what kind of penetration and maybe even expansion these wheel weight bullets get. In my 9mm test, I found that my hand load outperformed almost every commercial hollow point. So I've got a few different hand loads today I'm going to try out, and we're going to see how they do. We're going to start with this wheel weight cast. It is a flat-nosed lead semi-wad cutter with a gas check. So, off to the chronograph, here we go. Got our chronograph fired up, got 5 rounds loaded. We're going to give this a shot. Here we go. Ooh, that's stout. 1072 out of the snub nose. 1057. 1122. 1097. And 1104. We are clear. Some really good velocities out of the snub nose. So, let's see how it does in penetration. That is, wow. Wow. That is a lot of penetration. Let's see what we did here. All right, so 1 and 2, a little high on the jug, in and out. There's the entrance and exit, in and out, 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 in. Wow. And out, in and out, in and out. That's just trash. In, holy crap. Out. And it put a great big dent in my 2x8 at the back of my rig. A great big dent at the back of my 2x8. And there she sits. Wow. Out of a snub nose. Wow. Penetrated all of that. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looks like 10 jugs. 10 jugs. And still put a nice dent in the back of that 2x8. There she is. I should have set it up with a full complement of a dozen. I didn't think she'd go that far out of a snubby. No deformation, which is a little surprising with wheel weights. They're kind of soft. I thought we'd get some expansion, but straight line penetrator. So anyway, if you want a lot of penetration, there it is. So, on to the pine board test. Pine board test. These are 1 inch thick pine decking boards. They are treated. They're very tough to penetrate. First hit is here, in and out, the board is split. Second hit is here, in and out. Third hit is here, in and out. Fourth hit is here, in and out. I may have hit my testing rig. Fifth hit is here, in and out. That board's gone. And there we are buried, and I mean buried in board 6. Buried in board 6. So, does real good on soft tissue. On a hard barrier, it penetrates 5 pine boards and into a 6th. I'm going to be honest with y'all, out of a snub nose, that's pretty darn good penetration. So anyway, if I'm looking for real deep penetration, I trust these cast bullets over anything I can buy at the store. That's just my 2 cents. You do you. I worked up to that load over years, and it shoots well in my guns. It is just starting to flatten out primers. It's just kind of the point where I stop. So anyway, but it's been a good load for me. It's worked very well out of my guns, and out of a 2.25 inch barrel, gives me a lot of penetration. So hope you like it, guys. Please like and subscribe.